Introducing the D24 Pro, a masterpiece of innovation for premium coffee by Ideal. A bold fusion of precision and design with a stunning mirror finish stainless steel body, powered by a dual boiler system and PID temperature stability. Experience total control with a multifunctional digital panel. Brewing pressure gauge for perfect espresso extraction, steam pressure gauge for consistent frothing, and a pump booster connection option for enhanced pressure stability. Adjustable temperature from 80 to 110 degrees, and pre-infusion settings up to 30 seconds. From adjustable hot water to a dedicated cup warming zone, every feature is designed with a barista in mind. A 3-hole steam wand, steam knob, and hot water dispense for total versatility. Choose your brew with single shot, double shot, and manual buttons crafted for every coffee preference. A rear water tank means it's tabletop ready. Just plug and brew. Hot or cold, bold or smooth. The D24 Pro delivers coffee your way. The ideal choice for bakeries, kiosks, coffee vans, and compact cafés. Professional performance, compact design. This is D24 Pro by Ideal. Unleash the future of coffee.